welcome to Easy Gourmet. I am Michael Mercill, your host today. We have some fun guests from the radio station. Please introduce yourselves.
I am Kevin Flynn from Wild 104.1.
What do you do, Kevin?
I don't do anything, actually. I get minimum wage and all the CDs I can steal.
Sounds like fun.
I do the Wild Morning Show with the lovely Mandy Nolan right here.
Mandy, okay, so well, we know what you do already.
I co-host the morning show.
No, we don't even need to talk to you because we already know what you do. No.
But I also do middays.
Middays?
From 10 to 3, so.
All right. So you do the nooners.
Yes.
All right.
Exactly.
The nooners.
Yes.
There's nothing better than a nooner, right?
Exactly.
Okay, Robin.
And I am Robin Brockman, and I am in sales for Wild 104 and KDLM.
Awesome. Well, today we have a fun show. We are going to be doing martinis, and they are becoming, as you know, martinis are really popular around, in the area, and especially in Fargo-Moorhead. They've got great martini bars going on. Minneapolis.
If I'm not mistaken, there are entire bars devoted to the martini.
Absolutely.
To the joy that is the martini.
Absolutely. In fact, this is something we're working on at the Speakeasy, to have some martini nights and martini specials.
And I can tell you, Michael, none of us are, in fact, I don't think Robin's ever had a martini.
Never had a martini.
And I have had, I think, one. I'm always afraid of that glass that I'm going to spill it.
Okay, well, let me just start by educating you a little bit. The traditional martini is actually gin and dry vermouth. And then, of course, you've seen it garnished with the olive. And true martini drinkers will ask for their martinis to be dry, which means they want little or no vermouth in them. And that which means they only like the gin, and more gin the better. So, and of course you've probably heard of the dirty martini, which is with a little olive juice in it, and that's very popular as well. But nowadays you're hearing of all these crazy martini drinks, like the chocolate martini, the apple martini. There's just, the sky's the limit, and nowadays we can go anywhere and get the most fun and flavorful martinis. Today we're going to be showing everybody. In fact, they're going to learn themselves. They're going to make them themselves out of these personalized little martini shakers. And we're going to start off
these are truly shaken notes.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, right.
So we're going to be starting off with the chocolate martini, and afterwards we're going to be doing a cherry kamikaze martini. So, as I have been working in the restaurant industry, I constantly try to make sure that I am up on all the different kinds of vodkas. And one of my favorites out there right now is the 3 Olives martini, or 3 Olives vodka. Now, you don't usually find this around here. In fact, I think the Speakeasy is the only place that carries it. And this is actually a chocolate vodka, and this is actually a cherry vodka. And they're great just to drink by themselves. They're an incredible vodka. If you go on the East Coast and even the West Coast, you'll find them everywhere. But we are probably the only people that carry it. So, here we go.
Right.
We're ready.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
Okay. We will do these right after these messages.
Oh!
Welcome back. We now are going to make our first martini, which is the chocolate martini. So if you guys would all take some ice and fill up your shaker with it.
All right.
Pass it down.
Do I actually fill up my shaker?
Fill
it up.
You want to put some ice in there. And if that's taking too much time, just dip the martini shaker right in there. All right, that's good.
Okay.
Pass it down.
Just want to chill it, right?
You just want to chill it, exactly. We're just trying to make it look like we don't want to pass the germs around to anybody, but thank you. Thank you for taking the initiative on that.
Not a problem.
Okay, and then we're going to start off with a shot, or 2 shots of the chocolate.
2 shots.
So up to that little line, the 2-ounce line?
Mm-hmm. Pass it down. And I also have a shot glass here in case you need even a little more. We've got the ladies version and the men's version.
Oh.
I'm going to go ahead and eyeball.
Okay.
Here you go. All right.
I like that about you.
I knew you would.
Okay. All right, then we're going to do
That will do you.
we're going to do a shot now of the vanilla vodka.
Okay.
Okay, now you know what I was mentioning?
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you can use the ladies version here. I was saying that it was going to be a chocolate martini, but it's going to be a chocolate mint martini.
Chocolate mint.
Because Bailey's now makes a
shot of
mint,
vanilla.
a mint version of their Bailey's.
I've actually had that, and it's very good.
It is very good. They have a caramel version as well.
I'd like to thank our producer, Raina Benson, for offering to drive tonight. Thank you, Raina.
Thanks, Rena.
All right.
I'm glad I'm home.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
How much of this?
we want a shot of the Bailey's.
Oh my goodness.
Now, what about, I suppose you could use cream de mint, or I mean, one of the things
Absolutely.
I've heard about this is
You could do
have
cream
a
de
lot of fun
mint.
with this.
You know, and then you could use cream de cocoa, which is the chocolate flavored liqueur.
Chambord,
it-
different.
Absolutely, there's so many different kinds, and this is our version at the Speakeasy too. Ooh, look at him eyeballing that.
I mean, if we're
yeah.
here and we got a driver, all right, I'll have one.
Okay, I'm with you.
I'll get over to your house.
All
for
right,
your office.
slip the covers on top.
All right. Cover.
We're going to take a little shake and a little break.
Easy Gourmet is brought to you by The Pines Gifts and Collectibles, featuring the wooden spoon in Purim.
And we're back. The martinis are nice and shaken, and we actually had our glasses outside. It's 7 below outside, so we wanted to cool them down. Sometimes people will actually take ice and water and cool their glass down, because you do want this nice and cool. And we're rimming it in this awesome little fun chocolate rimming stuff that you can pick up right at the liquor store. All right, Robin, would you like to have the first?
Thank you. Oh, I should probably pass it down.
Okay.
Let's be nice.
Chocolate mint martinis,
Chocolate mint martini.
shaken. Let's start. Oh, look at that. Oh, hold it over plenty far. Oh my goodness.
All right.
This is almost like a dessert, Michael.
This is a dessert.
Seriously. Look at that.
Okay, the co-host is having
Okay, the co-host is having issues with her martini shaker. And, of course, to top it off then, we will do a little swirl of the chocolate right in there. You can swirl that in there too.
Oh, I see.
Some people will rim their glass ahead of times so that it's just right, but since I have this beautiful martini glass already, I didn't want to ruin it anymore.
Well, Michael, thanks for having us. Cheers to
Thank
the Easy
you.
Gourmet.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us in your home, and phenomenal. We had beef Wellington, the encrusted salmon and crew, and a chocolate martini.
Chocolate mint.
Chocolate mint.
Good.
All right. So the other martini that we were talking about doing, of course, is the cherry kamikaze martini. And once again, we have the cherry 3 olives vodka, which we're going to put a couple of shots in the shaker. And then we need, this one actually needs a little sweet and sour in it. And then we finish it off with triple sec. You guys familiar with triple sec?
I know it goes in a lot of things, but I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, most often margaritas, and which is an orange flavored liqueur.
Oh.
And we stick it on the shaker there. Shake it up.
Shaken, not stirred.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake your teeny.
You'll find it when you're shaking the martinis that it actually gets colder in your hands. Did you notice that?
Yes, I did. Now, would you rim your glass in like sugar or something?
Yes, you can rim this one in sugar too. In fact, this same the same stuff you find at the liquor store, they have it in cherry flavor too.
Okay.
They have it in pomegranate flavor, lemon flavor for when you make a lemon drop or a lemon martini. And you don't always have to rim it though. I mean, the true martinis, they aren't rimmed. And here we have it, the cherry kamikaze martini. And
Now you
of course,
can
you'd probably
toast the
want to
Easy
throw
Gourmet.
a little cherry in there for a garnish. Enjoy.
We are.
We are.
Thank you,
Delicious. I'll
Very
pass
good.
this around so you guys can all get a little try. Thanks for joining us, you guys, and thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time on Easy Gourmet.